Rub your feet, rub your feet, rub your feet. Shock. Bing!
What's up, my nerds? I'm Jaco.
I'm Justice, and I just got shocked. Yeah, no. I am shocked. I didn't get shocked, but I am shocked because we're already at our gold PDF badge.
That's right. It's gold, baby.
Yeah. Your hair was kind of sticking up like it was like, wow, look at that. Look at all that static electricity, man. I'm Justice.
I'm Jaco.
And we're going to be jumping into the gold PDF badge. Let's go.
Q1. What are the dimensions of a standard piece of paper?
Standard piece of paper, 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11. Remember it. Put that information up in your head. Cha-ching.
Question 2. What are the dimensions of a standard PDF?
Good question. 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11.
Seems similar.
Same exactly, actually.
Question 3. Some PDF documents contain form fields. What is a text field?
A text field, in particular, it allows a viewer to enter text. So if somebody's looking at your PDF, they can just click on that text field and they can actually type, like if they're filling out their name or their address. It's pretty cool. So a text field allows a viewer to enter text.
Pretty cool. Question 4. What is a checkbox?
Checkbox. Well, on a PDF, you can add checkboxes, and it will allow a viewer to mark or check that box just by clicking it with their mouse. So instead of having to, draw or print it out and draw a check mark, they can just click and it'll mark it.
I like it. Question 5. Can a viewer search/copy text from a PDF?
All right, laser focus. The answer is most often. Yes, but not always. Most often, yes, but not always is the answer.
Okay. Question 6. When can a user search/copy text from a PDF?
So, again, most often you can, but when does it not work? Well, it doesn't work if you took like a loose piece of paper, scanned it, and created a PDF from that scan. If the text was from a scan or it's an image that you took a picture of, your computer won't be able to select the text. It won't be able to find the keywords because it'll just see it as a picture. So that's when you can't.
Okay. You can. No. Question 7. How can you search for words in a PDF?
So if you're looking at a PDF, we call that a PDF viewer, and most PDF viewers have some type of search bar that you can click on, and you can just start typing your keywords, right? What is the word that you're looking for, or what's the number that you're looking for, right? So you can just locate the search bar and type your keywords.
101 cats. Dalmatians. Question 8 and final Q. What is the universal keyboard shortcut for searching a PDF/other document?
A PDF.
Slash.
A PDF after dark.
Yeah. PDF/other document.
So yeah, this is one of those things that you want to make sure you get in your head because
Easy, man. Be careful.
The Command Option F key is the universal keyboard shortcut for search, right? To find something on a document or find something on a page. The Command F if you're on a Mac, or the Control F
or
Option F if you're on that Windows PC, baby. And let's see here. I'm gonna just Command F. Did I just pass my gold PDF badge?
There it is. And the answer is, you did.
I wasn't really typing in a search. That's silly, but you get the point. We just passed our gold PDF badge. Oh, and we're feeling great. I don't want to speak for you. How are you feeling?
I feel really good. I just feel really good to be here. I got to give it all to my mom and my teammates.